So this will be the solution to your animation task 10. It says create an animation that simulates a yellow towel unrolling to show the text hereon. Each letter should become visible at the appropriate time as the towel is unrolled. The stage or canvas should be 550 by 400 pixels high. Proportions and text formatting should be kept as shown. The unrolling should take 3 seconds. Once the unrolling is complete, the text Villa Holiday should appear. After a further 2 seconds, the animation should start again. First of all, we start off with the stage. Stage dimensions are set to be 550 by 400. Click on create. Now, we can see that the background is basically considered to be the towel. So I will create the towel unrolling first and keep that as my background. For that, I will make use of, I can see two shapes rather than just one. Okay, let's first create the unrolling effect. So for that, I will take my rectangle, fill color set to yellow. The stroke is set to black. I'll create the rectangle like this. Done. Then I will create an oval. Take my selection tool, double click on the oval, place it on top of my rectangle. Do not deselect the oval, otherwise it will crop the portion underneath. So while the oval is selected, I will select my transformation tool and I will make it resized according to the width of my towel. So that's the upper part over here. For the bottom curve, all I need to do is take my selection tool, come down to the bottom and extend it like this. Now this is considered to be one whole shape. I can select the whole shape, take my transformation tool and make more adjustments if I want. So let's say place it here and reduce it like this. So that's about it. So this is going to take how much? 3 seconds to unroll. So 90 seconds, I will create a keyframe. At 90 seconds, the position will be on the right. Using the arrow key so that I don't mess up with the alignment. So let's have it somewhere around here. And now I'm going to reduce the size because you can see that the width is actually also decreasing as it is unrolled. So let's reduce the width. Done. All I need to do is create the shape wheel. Now this is how it looks. Okay. Now create another layer. For this layer, I'm going to take another rectangle, draw another rectangle like this. This is to be placed aligned with the, not aligned with the top edge. So take the selection tool, select your towel and place it somewhere here. This is aligned to taking my transformation tool, adjusting so that it touches the corner of the cylinder. Now 3 seconds, insert a keyframe, holding down Alt key so that I'm only altering the right edge. Once this is done, all I need to do is apply the shape wheel. So now this is how it looks. All I need to do is change the order. And this is how it looks. Towel unrolling. Now I need to have the text over here in the center. So I will create another layer. For this, I will remove all the frames. On the very first frame, I will select my text. I will take Times New Roman. The fill color is set to red and it's regular. So Let's type it. Giving a space after each letter. You can also adjust the spacing from the settings on this side, but this is fine. I take my selection tool and I will identify where it needs to be placed. So let's say over here, when it is unrolled. The text needs to be a bit larger. Let's say like this. Okay, so the text will remain for the complete 3 seconds. However, when it is unrolled, it should be revealed, right? So what I can do is I will create another layer for my masking. I'll take my rectangle. I can take, let's say stroke is none. The color of my rectangle now does not matter because once I apply masking, this layer is going to be invisible. Okay. So on the very first frame, I'm going to draw a rectangle, which is going to be aligned with the edge of my towel. Done? Okay. On the last frame, I'm going to insert a keyframe and take my transformation tool, hold down Alt, make changes to my rectangle, and again align it with the edge of my towel. And then I'm going to apply the shape tween on this. So this is how it looks. Along with the edge of the towel, the rectangle that I added is actually growing. And similarly, it is also going to reveal the text because I'm going to apply the mask. The intersection or the common part or the overlapping section is going to be visible. The green rectangle becomes invisible. So automatically it will create the illusion that the text is appearing. So like this. Done. So once this happens, we need to have another piece of text, which is going to be over here on this. After 3 seconds, we are going to have insert keyframe for all. Over here, we need to have Villa Holiday. So I'll take the text tool, Times New Roman, fill color is red. You just type in take my selection tool and we can shift it. We can also take my transformation tool to resize the text. Place it here. This will come after it is unrolled. This remains for 2 seconds, so we'll add 2 seconds into this. 150, we'll add the keyframe. Set the loop, and this is how it looks. So this was the solution to your exercise 10.